YouTube. Welcome back. It's your boy Davidito, and we back like we never left. Since you back, go ahead and subscribe. Trying to grow this channel. I'm really trying to grow this channel, and I need your support to do so. So today we're gonna get into something a little different. I mentioned in a previous video that I want to expand the channel and start exploring other things and letting you into other things that I'm interested in also do. Today I'm going to be working on a t-shirt design. I'm going to do something similar to that I did for my son for football, but this one is going to be about Jamie Foxx. You heard it right. Mr. Eric Bishop himself, aka Jamie Foxx to the world. So I honestly believe that Jamie Foxx is the best, absolute the best entertainer, hands down. The man does everything from singing to playing instrument to acting to doing impressions, you name it. The dude's just super talented, right? And I'm excited to do this one. So my plan is to take several different characters that he's portrayed in movies and so on and so forth and create a t-shirt design similar to this one, but focusing and honoring Jamie Foxx. And when is the best time to do it is February, is Black History Month. I feel like he's a national treasure. Plus, we almost lost this guy not too long ago. So if you're a real fan of Jamie Foxx, you've been rocking with him since Peep This album. You've been rocking with him since Straight Out of the Foxhole comedy series, or even from him in the Living Color or the Jamie Foxx Show. Been watching this dude for a very, very long time, and I'm excited to do this t-shirt design. Let me know what you think about the design in the comments, and without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so kind of going through my process. First thing, I jumped online and went and got a bunch of different images of Jamie Foxx and different characters that he's played throughout the years. I started off with, I want to say, probably between 25, 35 different images that I thought would be good images from different, like I mentioned, different shows and episodes, whether it was him as Stephen Billy Beeman or as Ray Charles or Django or whatever, the D silent, Jarhead, whatever the case may be, and finding different images that I thought would be good and that I could lay out nicely on this design for this t-shirt. So limit that down to about 10, and now I'm going to go through and like clean up the artwork and take out the background. I know a lot of people like to use a lace tool and do that. I'll do the first like AI generated piece of it, and then I go in and clean it up and try to get it the way that I want it. Sometimes I just skip the AI generated piece altogether and do it by hand. I know everybody has their own different techniques and stuff that they do. This is just kind of my process and the way I go about it. After I've cut out everything, then I'll go back with the smudge tool a lot of the time and just kind of like clean up that outer edge so it doesn't look jagged or funky or anything like that. So that's kind of my way of cutting things out. So once everything's cut out, now I was trying to figure out, okay, how do we lay this thing out? I was trying to figure out if I wanted to start with this image here with the red, or the Django one. I think I wanted the one with the red, that's the Baby Driver or whatever was the name of that movie. And then just kind of build the concept from there. You'll see layout is kind of starting from center, him looking center, and then slowly veering out to the side. And then I wanted to add some of the anime characters, or animation characters, I should say, not anime, animation characters. So you'll see the bird from Rio, you'll see him in here from Soul. So some of those different characters and stuff, and just kind of bringing it all together. Once again, like I said earlier, man, I think Jamie Foxx is the greatest entertainer of all times. I don't know who else to put in that category who can do as much as he's done at the level he's done it at. won Oscars, won awards for music. You know, the man at this point has done it all. So, who do you think is the greatest entertainer of all time? If you agree that it's Jamie, down below, go ahead and type in Jamie Foxx. If you believe it's somebody else, go ahead and put their name in. But I honestly believe that it's Jamie Foxx. So, but here's me messing with the name and how I kind of wanted that to lay out, and then throwing it on a t-shirt template real quick for everybody. So, you know, let me know if you like it or not. Comment down below, and that's another one. So, tell me what you think about the design, about the t-shirt. I think it came out dope. If for nothing else, I'm gonna make me one and rock it because I made it and I think it's cool. If you made it this far, I greatly appreciate you being here. If you have not yet, go ahead and subscribe. Drop a like if you like the video, if you like the content. Leave a comment in the description. Let me know if you will buy one of these. You know, drop all that information down below. Until next time, remember, fear is fake, and creating is problem solving. Peace.
To the race, let's go. Forward. Listen, it takes wisdom to grab these sneakers and spin them. Cut a couple of linen and match them up with the denim core. Dollar Dito, he'll cook it up like the kilo. And have your Air Ones appropriate with the stilo. He's no Lilo, but he's mean with the stitch. Got supreme lean dreams with a season to kiss.